Good morning, children. So let's start with the new lesson, multiples and factors. Now see children, in your book, one conversation is given between Dada and Sanju. See, Dada, I have 12 pedas. I have to put them in equal groups so that no peda is left over. How many pedas must I put in each group? So Sanju, putting into groups means dividing. So you have to put the given number of whatever the things. So here peda is given. So you have to make the groups, means you have to divide. So putting into group means dividing. None left over means that the remainder will be 0. So if you divide the numbers and if 0 is the remainder, that means what? The given number is completely divisible. Okay. Anju, 12. Now see, total number of pedas are 12. And Anju asks, 12 is divisible by 2. Yes, 12 is the even number. That's why it is completely divisible by 2. So we can make groups. So if 12 is divisible by 2, so what is the remainder? 0. And what is the quotient? 6. 2, 6 are 12. So how many groups will be made? So 2 groups will be made. Manju, 12 is divisible by 3. So if you divide 12 by 3, so your quotient will be 12, 3, 6. We can also make group of 4. Yes, you can make 3. You can divide it by 4 and also by 6. So can we make group of 5? So Anita asks Dada, can we make a group of 5? Means they have to divide 12 between 5. Manju, no, because 12 is not divisible by 5. Means if you divide 12, you will get some remainder. Anju, we can divide 12 by 6. So group of 6 can be made. Manju, we cannot make group 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 because we cannot divide 12 by 7, 8, 9, 11. Sanju, we could make one group of 12. Yes, if all the 12 pedas are given to any. So here only one group is made. So we could make one group of 12 and give it to one person. Or we could give 12 people to one pedas. So you can give one peda to 12 person, or you can distribute all the 12 to 1. Very good. 12 is exactly divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 12. Which means if you divide 12 by these numbers, you will get the remainder 0. So these numbers are called divisors or factors of 12. So let's see children. So factors means what? Now see children. So total number of pedas are here 12. So 12 is divisible by 1. Yes. So 12. Okay. So if you divide 12 by 1, you will get 12. Okay. So 12 is divisible by all these numbers. 12 is also divisible by 12. And 12 is also divisible by 1. So you can divide any number by 1. Okay. And every number is divisible by itself. Got it, beta? So what are they? They are 1, 2, 3, 4. So after dividing, you will get only the quotient, no remainder. So they are the quotients. They are the divisors. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 are the factors, or you can say they are the divisors of 12. Okay, so what are the factors? Factors are the numbers. If you divide it, you will get the remainder 0. Means the number is completely divisible by the given number is the factor of that number. Okay, now see children. Five and 7 are and now see children. 5 into 7 equals to 35. So 5 and 7 are the divisors of 35, or you can say they are the factors of 35. Here 11 into 8 equals to 88. So 11 and 8. So if you divide 88 by 11 or 88 by 8, so you will get the remainder 0. That means what? 11 and 8 are the divisors or the factors of 35. 88. Okay, got it, beta? Now see. Now see some questions from your book. Write the factors of the following number. And first is 8. Yes. So what are the factors of 8? See children. 1 is the factor of all number. Okay. Now see children, it is even number. So it will be divisible by 2. Yes, it is divisible by 4. And after 4, 5. No, it is not comes in the 5 table. 6, no. 7, no. 8, yes. So the last factor of every number is the number itself. Now see the next question. 5. So what is the factor of all numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, no. So 5. So 5 has only 2 factors, 1 and the number 5 itself. 14. 1, It is even number. So it is divided by 2, 3, no, 4, no, 5, 6, yes, 7 2s are 14 and then 14. Fourth, 10. So first factor is 1. It is even number. 10 is an even number. So it is divided by 2. Yes, 5 2s are 10. 5 and then 10. Got it, beta? Now see the next question. 7. Question number 5 is 7. So what is 7? You already learned in the previous lesson. 7 is the prime number. So prime number has only 2 factors. 1 and the number itself. 22. 1. Yes. Then 2. Yes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes. 11 2s are 22. And directly the number 22. And then see with that 25. Yes, 25 is a composite number. So it has more than 2 factors. 1, 5 plus, see children, unit place has 5. That means what? It is not divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So it has 5 in its unit place. That means what? It is divisible by 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No. So directly it is divisible by 22. 32. 1. Yes, it is the even number. So it is divisible by 2. 3. What is divisibility test for 3? The sum of the number is a multiple or of 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So it is not divisible by 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 8, 9, 10, 11. And directly then 32. Now see children. 33. 1. So 33 is the odd number. Okay. So it is not divisible by 2. 3, 3. And then 11, 3 11s are and 11 3s are. And then 30. So children, in this way you can find the factors. Got it, beta? So what is it known as? It is factorization by listing method. Okay. So here we made the list of the factors. Now see beta another question. Check whether a factor of 108. So see children, how will you check whether the given number is a factor of 108? Means you have to divide this 108 by 12. And if you get the remainder 0, that means what? It is divisible by 12. So let's see. Divide 108 by 12. Yes. What is the answer? And no remainder is left. That means what? 12 is the factor of 108. Okay, ask the next question. Two 34 is a multiple. Okay, now. $360 is a factor of, or 7 is a factor of 360. So you have to check 360 divided by 7. So divide 7 5s are 35. Okay, 7 ones are 7. Now see children, here 3 is left. Means 3 is the remainder. Okay, so 360 is not completely divisible by 7. That means what? 7 is not the factor of 360. Here so what it will say, you can check whether the given number is the factor of the given number. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I'm giving you some homework to solve. Okay, so these are the 4 questions you have to solve. So here we will stop, children. Bye bye beta.